सॉरी या सो वो छोटा सा फ्रॉक सुना नहीं और वो टीवी चार्ज जाके आ गया है। तो उसी प्रकार हम जो हम सोचते हैं और हमारा अगर फोकस सही रहता है लाइफ में भी, वो हम पा सकते हैं। सो इस छोटे से स्टोरी के साथ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड वेल मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो अबाउट मी। आई एम वाई श्रीनिवास। मैं जानबूझ के WHY लिखता हूँ बिकॉज वाई श्रीनिवास खाली वाई अल्फाबेट लिखते तो बहुत सारे वाई श्रीनिवास आपको गूगल में मिलेंगे। सो आई एम डिफरेंट, so that's why I write Y Srinivas. I am here because I'm on a mission to transform lives of people and help them lead a happy, healthy, and a beautiful life using very, very simple but very effective NLP and Puna techniques. Right? So this is a brief introduction about me. Apart from that, yes, I did my engineering, joined the Indian Air Force in the year 1989. And worked there for 23 years, took a voluntary retirement in the year 2012. And since then, I have been working in the corporate. I did a startup. And yes, and then presently I'm in Bilaspur, looking after the Bilaspur Smart City project. Okay, so that's my brief introduction. Well, इंसान का माइंड जो होता है, बाय डिफॉल्ट ह्यूमन माइंड इज नेगेटिव। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक स्टूडेंट को बताया जाए कि उसको 90% लेके आना है, तो सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? उसको टेंशन आएगा कि मैं नहीं लेके पाऊंगा। फर्स्ट थिंग इट विल कम इनटू हिज माइंड इज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? And suppose if you tell that tomorrow you're going to lose your job, or somebody is working, there is a negative thinking always during the pandemic that मेरा job lose हो सकता है. That is a negative thinking. And by default human mind is negative because if you go back to the history, right from the time when the man was born, he has always survived. He always struggled for his food. He has always struggled for the shelter. My request all of you to kindly mute yourself. Yeah. Okay, so he has always struggled for his shelter. He has always struggled for his food, and he has always struggled for his survival. So human mind is by default negative, and जब भी हम कोई भी चीज करते हैं पहले negative thought आता है कि शायद नहीं होगा. Okay, so now इसका result क्या? What is the result of this? And this starts right from the childhood. So as the human mind is negative and mind is trained to be negative, तो ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इंसान की जो सोच होती है, उनकी सेल्फ एस्टीम होती है, वो लो हो जाती है, उनका सेल्फ इमेज कम हो जाता है, एंड कॉन्फिडेंस बिकम्स लो. नो, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग is to have a good self image. Until unless you have a good self image of yourself, if you don't think good about yourself, you can never think good about others. So having a good self image is very important. But unfortunately, अगर आप default छोड़ दो, human mind को negative सोचो, तो then this self image goes down, self esteem goes down, and confidence becomes low. Now, अगला सवाल ये आता है कि ये कब होता है? What is the age when these things are developed? And the age is between 4 to 14 years. 4 से 14 साल के बीच में एक इंसान की पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप हो जाती है. When I talk about the personality, his belief system, his value system, everything. And this is the time when most of the time बच्चे जो है घर पे होते हैं पेरेंट्स के साथ या फिर स्कूल में होते हैं. And this personality which is developed between 4 to 14 years, 70% of this personality stays throughout the life. अगर एक बच्चे की सेल्फ एस्टीम लो है ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड, सेल्फ लो है, और अगर कॉन्फिडेंस उसका लो है, it is all possible that throughout his life 70% of his personality will be this only. So I always say, मैं हर समय बताता हूं कि parenting is a big project, is a project for 20 years. हमारे ना तो स्कूल्स में ना तो कॉलेजेस में हमें कभी भी पेरेंटिंग के बारे में बताते हैं. हम कभी भी पेरेंटिंग, हमारी शादियां हो जाती है, बच्चे हो जाते हैं, बच्चे को पालते हैं, बट देन पेरेंटिंग इज नथिंग बट अ प्रोजेक्ट फॉर 20 इयर्स. बिकॉज हम आगे चल के ये देखेंगे कि बच्चे के दिमाग में प्रोग्राम्स कैसे स्टोर होते हैं, एंड क्यों बच्चा किस तरह से बिहेव करता है, तो व्हाई ही बिहेव्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे, right? How the programs are stored in a subconscious mind. So we are going to do that. So the most important thing यहाँ पे ये है कि between the 4 to 14 years is a very very crucial year age for any child. So जो parents यहाँ पे सुन रहे हैं मेरे इस चीज को, you have to be very very careful when you talk, whatever you talk, your body language, your facial expression, everything is being recorded by your child in his subconscious mind. And this is going to make his personality after 4 to 5 years or maybe after 20-25 years. Okay, so yahan tak abhi rakhte hain. So we will go into details of this, and now we have to understand the concept of human mind, right? It's until unless agar hum apne human mind kaise kaam karta hai ye agar nahi samjhenge, to jo pehla jo question hai mera कि being poor or unhealthy is your choice, ये समझना मुश्किल होगा. Okay, so ओके, हम सब रिजोल्यूशंस बनाते हैं, राइट? न्यू ईयर के रिजोल्यूशन बनाते हैं कि हम लूज वेट करें, हम वेट लूज करेंगे, हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे वगैरह वगैरह. दिस इज ऑन 1st of January, एंड इफ यू आर आल्सो वन ऑफ देम, अगर आप 1st January से अगर पार्क में जाओगे सुबह सुबह में, या कोई अच्छे गार्डन में जाओगे जहाँ पे लोग एक्सरसाइज करने आते हैं, वॉकिंग करने के आते हैं, तो यू विल सी दैट 1st and 2nd 10th January तक बहुत ज्यादा रश होता है, and people are flooded with, the garden is flooded with people. Okay, but 15th के बाद you will see that almost 70% are gone, and कुछ लोग बच जाते हैं. और उसके बाद अगर आप 20 तक, if you are going till 2025, you will be the only one who is there in the park. अब रिजोल्यूशन ने तो सब ले लिया है, बट ऐसा क्यों होता है कि कुछ ही लोग रह जाते हैं और कुछ बहुत कम, maybe 1% or 2% of people who actually sustain it, right? So we have to understand this कि ये क्यों होता है. Now the second thing is, see the military person. अगर आप कोई भी military person को देखोगे, अगर आप 10 लोगों को रखोगे, तो उसमें से you can find out who are the people who are having an ex-defense background. because जैसे ही हम मिलिट्री की बात करते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में डिसिप्लिन की बात आती है, राइट? पंक्चुअलिटी की बात आती है. Now if you see our defense forces, now all the defense forces, every person has that discipline in him, has that punctuality in him, 90%, 95%. अगर पूरे सोसाइटी, डिफेंस सोसाइटी में, डिफेंस पर्सनल में अगर पंक्चुअलिटी हो सकती है और डिसिप्लिन हो सकती है, तो why can't all the people who are there in the civilian world, they also can have their goals, they also can have their targets and their resolutions fulfilled. अब इसके, this we will see as to what is the difference, because when we talk about the conscious and subconscious mind, मैं उसको explain करूंगा. So for now आप ये समझिए कि if you want, you can make your resolution permanent like a person in a defense forces. Okay, so how it is done we will let you know. Now अब ये डिपेंड करता है कि what are you feeding to your mind, हर दिन आप क्या फीड कर रहे हो, राइट? लाइक आई टोल्ड कि 4 से 14 इयर्स के एज में हमारी पर्सनैलिटी बनती है, हर बच्चे की पर्सनैलिटी बनती है. एंड दिस इज द एज व्हाट यू आर फीडिंग टू योर चाइल्ड और व्हाट यू आर फीडिंग टू योरसेल्फ. क्या इट ऑल डिपेंड्स. लाइक बच्चे को हम बचपन से ये बोलते हैं कि ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसे मत करो, वहां मत जाओ, राइट? एवरीथिंग वी टॉक अबाउट नेगेटिव ओनली. And we also put so many limiting beliefs into their mind. And these beliefs, these limiting beliefs and these negative thoughts, negative words what we use, they go into their subconscious mind and get stored, right? It also depends ki what are you feeding yourself up. Like if you are feeding junk food to yourself, the effect of this junk food you can see only after 5 to 6 years. Like अगर मैं बोलता हूं कि ऐसा कभी होता है क्या कि आज आपने जॉब ज्वाइन किया और फर्स्ट डे में जाके आपको पेमेंट मिल गया एंड उसके बाद पूरा महीने काम करने को मिला? ऐसे नहीं होता. यू गेट द पेमेंट ओनली आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर द होल ईयर, अ होल मंथ, राइट? सिमिलरली व्हेन यू गोइंग टू अ स्कूल, आपका स्कूल का एग्जाम्स पूरा साल खत्म होने के बाद आता है, उसके बाद रिजल्ट आता है. So For 1 year, wait to get the results. Similarly, हम अपने बॉडी में, हमारे माइंड में हम क्या फीड करते हैं, इसका रिजल्ट, इसका आउटपुट आपको 4 से 5 साल के बाद आएगा, पहले में नहीं आएगा. आज आप जंक फूड खा सकते हो, your eating habits might be bad, but the effect of this will come only after 5 to 6 years. Okay, so it all depends as to what you are feeling. I request all to mute your mics. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Do you know this? Every child is a born genius. Every child is a born genius, but unfortunately, when this child reaches to age of 18 to 20 years, he either becomes an average or a below average. Now, my question to all of you is, if every child is a born genius, why is it that everybody is not equally successful? Why these children become an average or a below average? They all should be equally successful. They all should be equally intellectual. They all should earn the same amount what others are earning. But it doesn't happen so. कोई बहुत ज्यादा कमाता है, कोई कम कमाता है, कोई बोलता है कि मैं ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, कोई oh my god. Okay, so why is it, why does it happen? Because it all depends upon the brought up. Like I told you, between 4 to 14 years is the time when your mind, your personality is developed, and this is the time when you are there with your parents, your teachers, your school, and your friends. So whatever is being fed during this particular period of time becomes their personality, their belief system, their values. And that is the reason why, because most of the time we say, no, ye mat karo, wo mat karo. We don't encourage our child. We use negative words, and but these things go and get registered in their subconscious mind, and that's how the personality turns out to be. And you also should know that we are all unique. Every individual, like in a population of 7 billion plus, there are no two people exactly the same. Everybody is different. Similarly, we all are unique, and each one of us have a talent which only we have, nobody else has. But the challenge is to find out what is that particular unique talent what you have, and that is your passion. And you start working on that particular talent, nobody can stop you from achieving your goals. Right? Like this particular bulb. By the way, these are my own sketches. So I thought I will also demonstrate my sketching skills. Okay, it's a long back. So yeah, everybody is unique. And now, this is also very true. We can achieve whatever we can dream of. Whatever our mind can conceive. We don't even use 5% of the capability of our mind because we don't challenge our mind. We just go as the days come, and we don't challenge our mind. And that's the reason why we don't achieve big goals. Always, always encourage yourself and also your children to dream big, because until unless they dream big, they cannot achieve big. I'll just give a small example here. Suppose there is a shopkeeper, that household kirana shop, and he has been doing his kirana shop for almost a decade or so, and his turnover is 60,000 per month, right? Now his son, who is educated, he comes and he says कि पापा इतने साल से किराना स्टोर चला रहे हैं, उनकी turnover 60,000 है, so I will make it 2 lakhs per month. And he starts working to make it 2 lakhs, and maybe he will make that turnover as 2 lakhs. Now just here is the catch. Now this particular boy who is studied, who is educated, he says कि I will make the turnover, keep the target as 2 lakhs. So he will only go for 2 lakhs rupees. He will not think of going for 2 lakh and 1,000. But only if this boy has made a target of 5 lakhs of rupees, he would have worked for 5 lakhs. He would have achieved 5 lakhs, maybe if not 5 lakhs, at least 4 lakhs, at least he has thought of. So it's always important that you have to dream big and encourage your children to dream big, because they have all the capabilities, they have all the resources. Only thing that limiting belief what they have doesn't make them achieve their goal. So अपने बच्चों को हर समय encourage करिए कि बड़ा सोचेंगे और बहुत बड़ा सोचेंगे. Dream big and try to make their focus on their goals. Okay, so that's all about our mind. Now I'd like to have some interaction here. What comes to this mind by seeing this particular picture? What caption you can give for this? Anybody? Let's have it in the chat box, please. Yeah. What does this picture tell you? Can anybody write? Just 1 minute. I'm not able to see the chat box. Okay. Yeah. Overloaded. Good. Amit. All world weight on his head. I don't see anything on his head. This is a physical weight he's carrying, right? It's not on his head. He is overloaded. Yeah. Anything else? Okay. That's true. He's overloaded. But what we are seeing here is the weight he is carrying. Now, apart from the weight, what he is carrying, which is tangible, which हम देख सकते हैं, there is another thing which is carrying in his mind. The garbage, the emotions, the jealous, all these things are also there in his mind. And when a person grows up, right? So there are, other than the physical baggage, he also carries the mental baggage, like the anxiety, uncertainty, jealousy, anger, ego, etc. Tangible. और उस वक्त हमें ये दिखता नहीं है. हमको केवल अब इस पिक्चर में केवल उसकी जो वेट वो कैरी कर रहा है वो दिख रहा है, बट द इमोशनल बैगेज जो कैरी कर रहा है वो हमें नहीं दिख रहा है. एंड एट दिस स्टेज व्हेन यू आर यंग, बिटवीन द एज ऑफ till the age of 25 to 26, this baggage what he is carrying ये bearable है, मतलब वो झेल सकता है. But now look at this. जब ये एज हमारे 30 से 40 के बीच में होता है, ये बैगेज तो कैरी कर ही रहा है, लाइक इमोशंस, एंजाइटी, अनसर्टेनिटी वगैरह तो कैरी कर रहा है. बट व्हेन यू आर बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 35 to 40 years, you have additional responsibility. आपकी जॉब की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है, आपके मैरिज हो जाते हैं, आपके बच्चे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है, जॉब का स्ट्रेसेस आता है, एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. नो, दिस थिंग व्हेन यू कैरी फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम, हमारे दिमाग में हम जब इस चीज को, इस बैगेज को, इस इमोशंस को हम बहुत ज्यादा टाइम तक जब कैरी करते हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स अफेक्टिंग योर हेल्थ. एंड यू विल बी एस्टोनिश्ड टू नो that 90% of our problems, for diseases, are psychosomatic diseases. अगर हम उस मेंटल बैगेज जो हम कैरी कर रहे हैं, अगर हम उसको कम कर पाए, उसको हम निकाल पाए, तो 90%, 85 to 90% आपके जो डिजीजेस हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे. यू विल बी डिजीज फ्री. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग अपॉन. मेरा हर उद्देश्य यही होता है कि हम इस बैगेज को कर, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं देता हूं, घर में हम हर साल दिवाली के पहले हम घर को क्लीन करते हैं, गंदगी निकालते हैं, राइट? और उसी प्रकार से हम वंस इन ए वाइल अपने, ठीक है, घर को गंदगी निकालते हैं. बट आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आप लोग जब से हम पैदा हुए हैं, अब जितने भी एज हो गए, कितने बार अपने अपने जो मेंटल स्टेट, अपने मेंटल इमोशंस, अपने मेंटल बैगेज को क्लीन किया है? कोई नहीं करता, बहुत कम, केवल 5% पीपल डू इट. हम जिम तो जाते हैं फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज के लिए, हमारी बॉडी बन जाती है, बट until unless you clear your mental baggage, you cannot be healthy. This is for sure not healthy for a longer time. So mental baggage को क्लियर करना बहुत बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Now let me, अब थोड़ा सा मैं आपको हमारे माइंड का स्टेट के बारे में बोलता हूँ. लाइक मैंने बोला था कि एवरीबडी इज अ बॉर्न जीनियस, एवरी चाइल्ड इज अ बॉर्न जीनियस. एंड अगर आप इसको देखोगे, दिस इज द स्टेट ऑफ आवर माइंड व्हेन वी आर बॉर्न. एवरीबडी इज लाइक अ व्हाइट बोर्ड, एंड आप इस पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. ये हमारा माइंड का पिक्चर है जब हम पैदा होते हैं. सो हम इस पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, एंड जो भी हम लिखेंगे दैट विल गो इनटू द माइंड, दैट विल बिकम अ पर्सनैलिटी. बट जब हम 18 to 20 years के होते हैं, या फिर उससे भी ज्यादा हमारी माइंड की स्टेट कुछ इस तरह से हो, इट्स फुल ऑफ गार्बेज, इट्स फुल ऑफ लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स, इट्स फुल ऑफ इमोशन, नेगेटिव इमोशंस, और इस तरह से गार्बेज हो जाता है. एंड नाउ दिस is actually going to affect our body, our health. And when we are around 35 to 40 years of age, and if we have this mental state in our mind, this is certainly going to bring us diseases. All the most of the diseases like आपकी BP है, sugar है, diabetes है, these are all because of the emotions, the limiting beliefs, the baggage, the emotional baggage what we carry. And if you want to be healthy, the only way is to clear this baggage. And you might ask the question, okay, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Anyway, we will look into that. Now let us see कि ये baggage जब आप carry करते हो, ये अगर आपकी state है, mental state है, तो what are the problems? Like this is a thing, like if you are in the top where you have a huge garbage, huge emotions in your mind, all these things will be there. अगर आप किसी भी इंसान को देखोगे जो बहुत ज्यादा short tempered है, जो हर समय झगड़ा करता है, जो बहुत ज्यादा fearful है, sad है, depressed है, hatred, vengeance, impatience है, you can make out that his mental state is somewhere here, right? But if you meet a person who is loving, who is compassionate, forgiveness, connection, understanding, clarity, silence, that means that person is somewhere there, here. So it's very, very important. If you want to be healthy at every stage of your life, you need to clear this garbage and then come down as less as possible, right? And so that you have all these. So if you meet a person and अगर आप उसको देखोगे कि उसमें love है, compassion है, तो you can make out that yes, he is mentally very stable. But if he is short tempered, बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी गुस्सा, बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, procrastinate करता है, criticize करते हैं या blame करते हैं, complaining करते हैं, तो they're all people whose mental state is not very strong. I mean to say the emotional state, not mental state, emotional state, there's lots and lots of garbage, it needs to be cleared. Okay, so let's see this. When you are coming from down, like 0 to 45 is called a peace band. And when you are between 45 to 90, it is called the chaotic band. And when between 90 to 100 is a threshold band. And so when you are in a peaceful band, your learning state is wonderful. You can make good decisions. You have a bed, you learn fast. Whatever you do is crystal clear and your decisions are very, very firm. That is from 0 to 45. जब नीचे से हम ऊपर आते हैं 0 से 45% तक, और जब 45 से 90% तक हम जब रहते हैं, so concentration थोड़ा सा कम होता है, learning बहुत मेहनत करके हम learn कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा confusion and decisions are very, very shaky. And in this state, हमारी जो decision making है वो faulty होती है, chaotic band हम इसको बोलते हैं. And on the top, 90 to 100% is a threshold band. And it's very risky. Learning here is impossible. A person who is mentally not sound or is emotionally very, very weak, he cannot take a correct decision. Right? So this is in general, and I just put this again to recap. अगर नीचे में है 0 to 45, 45 to 90, and 90 to 100 on the top. So 85 to 90% of the people are somewhere here between 45 to 90. And that our effort should always be to come as close as 45 or maybe less than 45 to have a very, very peaceful life and a healthy life. Okay. Now, having said that, any questions from any of the audience? Yeah. I'm the only one speaking. I am the speaker, that's okay, but then yeah. Any questions? I'm ready to answer before we go as to know how the events are stored in our subconscious mind. No questions? टीचर जब क्वेश्चन पूछती है ना, तो या तो बच्चों को पूरा समझ में आता तो नहीं क्वेश्चन रहता, या तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. तो आई डोंट नो व्हिच कैटेगरी आई बिलोंग टू नाउ. ओके,
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
यस.
कि सबके वीडियोस क्यों बंद हैं?
अच्छा, वो दिख नहीं रहा मेरे को.
Everybody please turn on your videos because it feels like we are talking to the screen then.
And not only that, I also told now that self-image is the most important thing. And if you don't see yourself in the video and be happy, so then you cannot have a good self-image, right?
मतलब वीडियो में खुद को देख के ऐसा फील होना चाहिए कि कितना अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ या अच्छी दिख रही हूँ मैं.
Absolutely. Until you start loving yourself, you cannot love others. हाँ अभिषेक, you're looking good. T-shirt अच्छा है. Okay. Yeah, I think Shaurya ma'am is there with the full family. Good. Nice. Okay. So let's see how the events are stored in our subconscious mind. Events are stored only in five senses. Everything which is there in our mind is stored in only five senses. That is, we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste, and we can feel, kinesthetic, right? Only in these forms, five forms, the things are stored. And whatever we talk, the way I'm talking right now is just a way of presentation. That's all. It doesn't go into your head, right? And I'll give a very simple example यहाँ पे कि हमारे mind में कैसे प्रोग्राम स्टोर होते हैं. बच्चों के माइंड में स्पेशली कैसे स्टोर होते हैं. सपोज देयर इज अ चाइल्ड, देयर इज अ मदर, okay, and she is a Indian mother, and there is a small child who is learning to walk. Okay, so जैसे ही वो बच्चा चलने लगता है, मम्मी पेपर पढ़ रही है बैठ के, इंडियन मदर, ओके, सो एंड शी इज स्टडिंग, शी इज लुकिंग एट द पेपर एंड द चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स वॉकिंग. सो जैसे ही चलने की कोशिश करता है तो फर्स्ट स्टेप से तो गिर जाता है. सो दिस इंडियन मदर डजंट केयर, वो बच्चा गिर जाता है तो शी कीप्स रीडिंग द बुक, रीडिंग द पेपर. अब ये बच्चा, जो छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो देखता है कि कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है मम्मी के पास से, तो ही थिंक्स, इसके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में एक प्रोग्राम गया, he is looking at his mother, right? He doesn't understand the language, and he is seeing the reaction, her body language, and he understands कि mother अब मेरे हेल्प करने के लिए नहीं आएगी, मुझे ही कोशिश करना पड़ेगा. So he again tries to walk. He takes 2 or 3 steps, and then he falls. And as he falls on his face down, he starts crying. And the moment he starts crying, this Indian mother just leaves the paper, throws the paper, and then comes and starts taking care of the child. बोलेगी कि हाँ गंदा है, जमीन गंदा है, इसको मारो, उसको मारो. Now, इस वक्त उस बच्चे के सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में एक प्रोग्राम सेट हो गया, प्रोग्राम गया कि हाँ, जब कभी भी मुझे जरूरत पड़ेगी तो मुझे ज्यादा जोर से रोना पड़ेगा, तब मेरे लिए कोई हेल्प करने के लिए मेरे पास आएगा. And this program is stored in his subconscious mind. And उसी को ले देखोगे कि आप कोई बच्चे होते हैं कोई पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न के साथ, जैसे झुलाने की आदत होती है, तो जब तक झुलाते नहीं वो सोता नहीं है, और दैट्स बिकॉज उनके पेरेंट्स ने उसको आदत डाला है. उसी वक्त बहुत सारे ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं जो नॉर्मली जाके सो जाते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ let me go to another example. We will replace this Indian mother with a Western mother. Okay, now this Western mother, वो पेपर पढ़ रही है और उनका जो बेटा है वो चलने की कोशिश करता है, पहली बार गिरता है, she doesn't give any attention, वो अपना पेपर पढ़ती है और बच्चा फिर उठ के चलने की कोशिश करता है. इस वक्त सेकेंड टाइम ये बच्चा भी जोरदार गिरता है और बहुत जोर से रोता है, और इस वक्त उसकी जो मदर है, अभी जो वेस्टर्न मदर है, she doesn't get up, she keeps reading. अब ये बच्चा जो देखता है कि अरे उसकी मदर को अटेंशन दे ही नहीं रही है, तो he says कि मेरे को कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलने वाला, only I have to try. So he again starts trying, and now he starts walking. The moment he starts walking, this mother comes and blesses him and says him, very good, you have done a good job, encourages him. Now इस वक्त उस बच्चे में एक प्रोग्राम सेट हुआ कि मुझे लाइफ में अगर कोई भी मेहनत करना है तो मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ेगा, जब तक मैं सक्सेसफुल नहीं होऊंगा मुझे कोई हेल्प करने नहीं आएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ द प्रोग्राम्स आर स्टोर्ड. दैट्स द रीजन, अगर आप देखोगे वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में बच्चा जब 20-21 ईयर्स का होता है तो वो इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाता है, बिकॉज 18 ईयर्स के बाद उसे छोड़ दिया जाता है, तुम अपनी जिंदगी जियो. He starts doing business, he fails once or twice, and then he starts again, and he struggles. But वही इंडिया में अगर देखोगे, बच्चा अगर 26 साल का 27 साल का भी होता है तो पेरेंट्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू फीड हिम, एंड they are called mama's boy or papa's boy. So this is the difference, because the programs which are stored in our subconscious mind develops a personality. So the thing is, events are stored only in 5 senses. We can see, we can taste, we can smell, we can feel, and we can hear. These are the only 5 senses जिसमें हमारे subconscious mind में programs store होते हैं. Okay. Now, having said that, let me talk about the conscious and subconscious mind. Okay. So this is very important. There are 2 minds actually. One is conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Now, conscious mind is just 15%. It's not even 15%. They call it is a very, very small 10%. Swati is laughing. I know she knows much better than me. But okay. By the way, my viewers, Swati is a PhD in. Tell Swati, your PhD in what? Okay. So I'm not going into the scientific part of it. I'm not going to the brain science, but I'm telling you overall. So conscious mind is only 10% or 15%, and subconscious mind is 85 to 90%. And conscious mind has a logical thinking. जैसे आप now you're looking at me, you're consciously looking at me, right? And if I say just close your eyes and just remember your mother, the moment I say that, the picture of your mother will come in front of you. That means somewhere there in our brain, there is something, some memory which is there, which is actually storing the pictures, right? Similarly, conscious mind, like if I tell you, like आपने भी देखा होगा जो बच्चों को अगर आप बोलोगे कि बेटा जाके पढ़ाई कर लो, 5 मिनट के अंदर में उसको नींद आएगी, बोलेगा बेटा मम्मी नींद आ रही है, या फिर बोलेगा कि मेरे को भूख लग रही है. बट उसी बच्चे को टीवी दे दो, अगले 3 घंटे तक टीवी देखेगा, ना तो उसको नींद आएगी ना तो भूख लगेगी. That's basically because क्या है कि हमारे जो माइंड है, it doesn't store words, it only stores pictures, it only stores activities. And until unless अगर आप जब तक हम उसको वो देते रहेंगे तो our mind is active. Okay, so I'm just diversing. So subconscious mind doesn't have any logical thinking. जो भी हम उसको देते हैं वो accept करता है, and then it processes it and gives the output. To explain this is very, very simple example. Suppose आपके पास एक कंप्यूटर है और CPU जो आपका होता है, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, इज द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. एंड जो भी हम इनपुट देते हैं कीबोर्ड से, वी विल गिव द इनपुट टू द कीबोर्ड, दैट गोज टू द सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, वो प्रोसेस करेगा एंड इट विल गिव द आउटपुट. Output may come to the display, output may go to the printer, or it may go to the ECG machine. It doesn't matter. But the keyboard will never ask, the CPU will never ask the keyboard कि ये तुमने wrong input क्यों दिया या ये input क्यों दिया. आप जो भी input दोगे उसको process करेगा और वो output देगा. Okay? उसी प्रकार से हमारे subconscious mind will never ask the conscious mind कि ये input आपने क्यों दिया. जो भी हम इनपुट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से कॉन्शियस माइंड को देंगे, इट विल प्रोसेस इट एंड इट विल गिव द आउटपुट. नाउ यू मे आस्क इज व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. नाउ द आउटपुट ऑफ अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज द वे वी रिएक्ट टू अ पर्टिकुलर इवेंट, राइट? सो द वे वी रिएक्ट इन द सेंस आवर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस. सपोज देयर इज एन इवेंट, आवर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, द वर्ड्स वी यूज, द बॉडी लैंग्वेज, everything is the output of our subconscious mind. So that is the reason why एक इवेंट को अगर 2 लोग देखते हैं तो दोनों का रिएक्शन डिफरेंट होता है. And that is because their subconscious mind is tuned differently. Their subconscious mind programs are stored differently. To give a very, very simple example, suppose एक बाइक का एक्सीडेंट होता है and there are 2 people who are looking at it. एक बाइक मैकेनिक और एक डॉक्टर. The moment उस बाइक मैकेनिक उस एक्सीडेंट को देखेगा, his first thing will go on to the bike कि कितना डैमेज हुआ बाइक में, because his subconscious mind में वो प्रोग्राम स्टोर्ड है बाइक रिपेयरिंग का. Whereas the doctor will first see the patient कि कितना चोट लगा है उसको, because his subconscious, this is the output of the subconscious mind. The moment वो बाइक एक्सीडेंट देखेंगे, doctor will go see what is the damage, what first aid is to be given, how the patient can be rescued. Whereas the bike जो मैकेनिक है उसको बाइक के बारे में सोचेगा. So this is how our subconscious mind are stored. Now you might ask me, so how to change the programming in our subconscious mind? Is it very difficult? or is it very easy? That I will tell you afterwards. But before that, what I want to say is there are two ways of putting anything into the subconscious mind. First one is डायरेक्टली आप कॉन्शियस माइंड को बेवकूफ बनाओ और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाओ, ओके? या दूसरा चीज ऐसा होता है कि हर एक चीज को आप बार बार रिपीट करो तो वो चीज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाता है। नाउ अब मैं आपको वो वाला पिक्चर दिखाता हूँ, लेके जाता हूँ, जो मिलिट्री वाला मैंने जो पिक्चर बताया आपको, मिलिट्री पर्सनल का। मैंने बोला था कि मिलिट्री पर्सनल में दो चीजें बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, जो कॉमन होती है, दैट इज डिसिप्लिन एंड पंक्चुअलिटी। नाउ ये जो चीजें हैं, जब कोई भी इंसान डिफेंस में ज्वाइन करता है, फर्स्ट 1.5 years में उसको ये चीजें बार बार डेली दिन में 10 बार कराया जाता है, 1.5 साल तक। एंड दैट्स द रीजन, कंटिन्यूअसली रिपीटेशन जब करते हैं तो वो चीज उसके आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाके बैठ जाता है। सो डिसिप्लिन and punctuality and many other things become a part of their life, their habits, right? And the other way is to bypass the subconscious mind, conscious mind, and go into the subconscious mind. So that is how we do an NLP techniques, जो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा। Through NLP what we do is we just bypass the subconscious mind and conscious mind, and put the things into the subconscious mind directly, replace the programs सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, ओके? एक और एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूं। जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था कि लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स हमारे बहुत ज्यादा हैं, वो गार्बेज की तरह होते हैं, एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। एंड सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई टेक अ न्यू कंप्यूटर, अगर आपने एक नया कंप्यूटर लिया है, इफ इट्स अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, सो इनिशियली व्हेन वी बाय अ कंप्यूटर, स्पीड विल बी वेरी गुड बिकॉज उसका पूरा मेमोरी फ्री है, एवरीथिंग इज फ्री। बट द सेम कंप्यूटर अगर 1 साल के बाद आप देखोगे, उसमें हम बहुत सारा गार्बेज भरते हैं, फोटोग्राफ्स भरते हैं, मे बी वायरस आ जाता है, एंटीवायरस डालते हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स एप्लीकेशंस हम सब डालते हैं। एंड नेचुरली द कंप्यूटर का जो स्पीड है जो फर्स्ट में था वैसा नहीं होता। एंड द सेम इज ट्रू विथ आवर माइंड। ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में इतना गार्बेज भरता है, इतना इमोशंस, इतने नेगेटिव इमोशंस भरते हैं कि हमारा माइंड वर्क करना स्लो हो जाता है, and slowly it starts affecting our health. So clearing our subconscious mind, cleaning of our subconscious mind is very very important, okay? So that is all about subconscious mind. So एक चीज हमें समझ में आया कि जो भी हम सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में डालेंगे, ये हमारा एक हैबिट बनेगा, और उसका हमारा जो आउटपुट रहेगा, तो वो आउटपुट भी उसी तरह से रहेगा। सपोज इफ यू गिव समथिंग नेगेटिव टू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, your output will be negative, and if you give a positive input to your subconscious mind, it will be positive. अब बहुत लोगों को हम देखते हैं कि they're always criticizing type, कुछ भी होगा, तो कोई भी इवेंट होगा या कोई भी उनको क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, तो they will see the problems in it. They will be a part of the problem. But there are few people who give them any problem to them, they will say we will find out a solution. This is the difference between when you give a question to anybody and if he says कि sir कोई problem नहीं हो जाएगा, that means his subconscious mind is tuned positively. And the other way is also true. कोई अगर बोलोगे कि कुछ भी बात बोलो, बहुत लोग मिलते हैं आपको, बहुत कुछ भी बात बोलो, ये हो नहीं सकता, ये impossible है. So their subconscious mind is tuned negatively. So it's very important that we train our mind to be positive always. That's very important. That is the key. Okay. Now, एक example देता हूँ to make it very very clear. Suppose एक छोटा सा बच्चा है and right from his childhood, everybody has been telling him कि you are not good at painting, you're not good at drawing, you're not good at drawing, you're not good at drawing. अब चूंकि ये बार बार रिपीट हुआ, स्कूल में हुआ, टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स, पेरेंट्स, एवरीबॉडी इज टेलिंग हिम कि तेरा ड्राइंग बेकार है, तेरा ड्राइंग बेकार है. अब उसके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में एक प्रोग्राम स्टोर हो गया कि आई एम नॉट गुड एट ड्राइंग, आई कांट ड्रॉ. एंड जब ये बच्चा जब बड़ा होता है और उसको एक पेपर और पेंसिल दिया जाता है कि बोले कि तुम ड्राइंग करो, तो इस प्रोग्राम उसके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ये होता है, ट्रिगर होता है, एंड हिज आउटपुट विल बी आई कांट ड्रॉ. अब जस्ट एक रिवर्स को सोचिए कि बच्चा जब छोटा था, अगर उसको ये ना बोल के कि तुमको ड्राइंग नहीं आता है, उसी बच्चे को एनकरेज करो कि ड्रॉ करो, यू कैन ड्रॉ बेटर, you keep encouraging him. Maybe he will become a good painter, good drawing, good artist. And that time at least जब बड़ा होगा उसको पेपर और पेंसिल दिया जाएगा, at least this thing will not, I can't draw, will not come from his subconscious mind. So that's why I keep telling कि बच्चे को positive inputs देना बहुत जरूरी है. And parenting is a project of 20 years. Keep repeating this in all my webinars. Parenting is a big, big project. If you want to see your child, a positive child, at the age of 21, 22. जब बच्चे बड़े होते 21, 22 तो पेरेंट्स जनरली बोलते हैं कि बच्चे मेरे बात नहीं सुन रहा है. इसकी बच्चे की कोई दोष नहीं है. It's the way values what we have put, the beliefs what we have put into our child, the output comes like that. Okay. Well, based on this, I just designed a 4-step thing to transform a garbage mind to a healthy mind. And like in the first case, मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था कि हमारे माइंड में कितना गार्बेज है, बहुत ज्यादा गार्बेज भरा हुआ इमोशंस है, नेगेटिव बिलीव्स हैं, उसको हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना. what are those garbages which is there in our mind. We have to know that garbage. And at the second stage, we have to clean that garbage. That's very important. Like I told you, we have to clean that garbage. Until unless we clean the garbage, it's not possible. Let me give a very simple example to understand this 4-step transformation. Suppose you have a huge piece of land जिसमें पूरे weeds भरे हुए हैं, पूरे जंगली जमीन है. अब उसमें आपको खेती करना है. तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे, उस जंगल को, जो जंगली पेड़े हैं उसको क्लीन करोगे, राइट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. यू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या जंगल है, क्या जंगली पेड़ है, उसको क्लीन करोगे. नो योर गार्बेज, क्लियर दैट गार्बेज. जब आपने उसको क्लियर किया, उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे, उस जमीन को उपजाऊ बनाओगे. यू विल मेक दैट लैंड फर्टाइल. एंड वंस यू मेक दैट लैंड फर्टाइल, यू विल स्टार्ट सोइंग द सीड्स. सिमिलरली, जब हम अपने माइंड को क्लियर करेंगे, हमारे गार्बेज को क्लियर करेंगे, उसके बाद हम उसमें पॉजिटिव बिलीव्स इंप्लांट करेंगे, राइट. वी हैव टू इंप्लांट द पॉजिटिव बिलीव्स. एंड वंस यू इंप्लांट द पॉजिटिव बिलीव्स, आप उसको नरिश करें. जैसे आपने पेड़ डाल दिए, देन यू विल लुक आफ्टर दोज पेड़, दोज प्लांट्स, nourish them, give them manure, whatever it is, and look after them. And once you look after them, these plants become trees and they start giving. So you are actually making a healthy body and a healthy mind, which makes a happy life. Life is very simple. You should be healthy physically, you should be strong mentally, your life will be happy. So this is a 4-step transformation which I have designed for myself, and this can be achieved at any stage. And this becomes easy when we are in a childhood, in the 18 to 19 years or maybe 15 years onwards. But as we grow old, knowing the garbage, clearing the garbage means actually changing our limiting beliefs. That becomes slightly tough, but it is possible, right? So you have to understand your garbage, you have to clear your garbage. If you want to have a healthy life at the age of 50, you need to do that at the earliest. I keep telling in my webinars, जब हम 50 साल के होते हैं, पूरी जिंदगी हम मेहनत करते हैं, बच्चों के लिए बहुत पैसा कमाते हैं, दिन रात मेहनत करके पैसे कमाते हैं, और ताकि अच्छी फैमिली रहे, हमारे बच्चे अच्छे रहे, हमारे घर हो जाए. और 50 साल के बाद जब हम रिटायरमेंट के एज में आते हैं, that is the time when we have to enjoy, right, the hard earning. And when the time comes for enjoyment, unfortunately हमारे साथ बहुत सारे gifts आते हैं. We have diabetes, we have sugar, that is basically because हमने अपने health पे कभी भी ध्यान नहीं दिया. जिंदगी भर हम मेहनत करते रहे, and इसका जो effect है हमको 50 साल में दिखता है. जब हमको पैसे enjoy करना चाहिए, पूरे वर्ल्ड घूमने चाहिए, हमारे पैशन को पूरा करना, हॉबीज को पूरा करना चाहिए, वी कैन नॉट डू. हमारे बैंक में तो पूरा पैसा भरा रहता है, बट वी कैन नॉट यूज दैट. सो व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इट? सो द थिंग इज, यू एंजॉय योर लाइफ एज इट इज टुडे. डोंट स्टोर योर मनी फॉर समबडी एल्स टू एंजॉय. ओके, सो विद दैट लेट्स to understand what is NLP. NLP is nothing but neuro linguistic programming. अभी आपने समझ गया कि हमारे कॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कैसे काम करते हैं. एंड न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग इज नथिंग बट we actually reprogram the subconscious mind. जो हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जो प्रोग्राम्स मैंने बताया कि जो स्टोर होते हैं बचपन से, राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम वी आर बोर्न, these programs are getting stored in our subconscious mind. In fact, ये बोला जाता है कि right from the time we are in the mother's womb, these programs are getting stored in our subconscious mind. So इन programs को, इन limiting beliefs को हम कैसे change कर सकते हैं, that is all about, that is what NLP works on, NLP and Pune. Now programs कैसे स्टोर होते हैं एंड एनएलपी उसे कैसे करता है. ओके, प्रोग्राम्स कैसे स्टोर होते हैं मैंने बताता हूं, बट व्हाई एनएलपी. अब आप ये बोलोगे कि एनएलपी क्यों, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग क्यों? देयर आर सो मेनी डॉक्टर्स हु आर देयर, वी कैन गो टू द डॉक्टर्स, get us treated, or maybe there are some other so many yogasans and everything is there. Yeah, you can use any of those things. You can go to the doctor, it all depends upon you. You can also use yogasans, they're also very good. You can do meditation, that is also very good. But why NLP is, this is because this is a permanent solution. Like if you have a phobia, again, let me explain why the phobia comes. Suppose somebody is having a phobia of water. Okay, now this phobia will not come just like that. It might have happened in the childhood. The child must be seeing some movie. पेरेंट्स जनरली आजकल के बच्चे जो है टीवी के सामने छोड़ देते, कोई मूवी लगा के और चले जाते हैं ताकि बच्चे हल्ला ना करें या बदमाशी ना करें. Now when the child is watching that movie, there might be some scene in that movie where the child must have seen somebody drowning, and that music which is there, डरावना जो म्यूजिक आता है जब कोई ड्राउन होता है, तो that actually is getting stored in a subconscious mind. He would he's seeing the pictures, he's hearing the sound, and he's also having those feelings of dar, of fear within him. So this particular program has been stored in his subconscious mind. और क्या होता है कि जब कभी भी पानी देखता है वो बच्चा, कई सालों के बाद जब भी वो पानी देखता है, तो उसका वो जो प्रोग्राम उसके माइंड में स्टोर्ड है वो ट्रिगर होता है, एंड दैट फियर कम्स. दैट इज व्हाट इज द फोबिया इज. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, NLP can actually clear your phobias within few minutes. Most of the phobias, within few minutes, we can replace that particular program which is there in our subconscious mind with a positive program, and it gets cleared. So NLP, and that is permanently cleared. It's not that we are clearing it now and it again comes back. It's not like that. It's a permanent solution. And the second thing is, like I told you, 85 to 90% of our diseases are psychosomatic. And any of the psychosomatic diseases, it can be cured by NLP. In fact, I'm also trying, NLP works on cancer also. Cancer cells are nothing but when we have these emotions, these baggages to a large extent for a long period of time, they become cancerous cells and they affect our body. So NLP can also help in curing the cancer. And also I'm trying to do that, trying to use NLP to cure the cancer. But then yes, all the psychosomatic diseases can be cured using NLP. It doesn't have any side effect. When you do an NLP technique on your patient or anybody, either it works or it doesn't work. If it works, it's fine. If it doesn't work, we have to find a different technique to use that. But it has no side effect, absolutely no side effects. And the solutions are quick. Like I told you, few of the phobias can be cleared within few sessions, one session, and they are very, very quick. And they are proven and tested. All the techniques are proven and tested. They have been used since 1970s in the foreign countries, but in India, NLP is being used in the last 10 years, and there are so many NLP experts in India also. Not only that, NLP can actually sharpen your memory also. Like if I give 30 words to a child and tell him to by heart those words, I generally do this exercise, and they will take 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and even if they by heart it, maybe the next day they will forget it. But those 30 words, I can make them remember within 5 minutes. That's my challenge. And not only in that sequence, they can also remember it upside down. They also can remember it in between, whatever I can give. So that's effective the NLP is. Makes children more positive and confident. Like I told you, NLP, when we do NLP, it trains our subconscious mind to think positive by default. Like I told you starting mein, ki by default human mind is negative, but when we do NLP over a period of time, by default our mind starts thinking positive. And just imagine if you have a positive mindset, how the things will change. Everything will change automatically. Everything starts changing. Everything starts happening as you wish. And this I already told you, remove phobias permanently. Remove the garbage, of course, unless we remove the garbage, we cannot come down the 45% to 0%. So it certainly removes the garbage. And also, I have done this with clients, with my mentees, and this can be is so effective that this can be done within 10, 15 to 20 days, the garbage, and we can feel the change in the behavior of the person and make our mind think positively. And most important is we can achieve our goals. Like if we clear our garbage and we sow positive thoughts into it and we have set our goals, we can always achieve our goals. And it removes depression, anxiety, unexplained behavior, relationships, addictions, and many more. So NLC is one-stop solution for any of the psychosomatic diseases, any diseases which are related to mind, and also it is a cure for most of the diseases. And cure is, and the techniques are very, very simple. Okay, so I talked so much of NLP. So let's have a live demo of NLP. I'm going to make you do one exercise which will actually bring in instant energy into you, and you can see the effectiveness of NLP. Okay, may I request all of you to just close your eyes just for 5 minutes. Just close your eyes, and if possible, keep your feet on the ground if possible. Otherwise, just start relaxing your body from top to bottom. Start from your toes. Just relax your toes, relax your ankles, relax your calf muscles. Go deeper into a state of relaxation. Relax your thighs. Relax your abdomen, your stomach. You're going into deeper and deeper state of relaxation. Your chest, your shoulder muscles, your hands, and your neck. Just relax your whole body and just imagine that your total body down the neck is totally relaxed and it's not a part. It's dead and it's not a part of your body. You're totally relaxed now. Just relax your cheek muscles, your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your cheeks. You're going to a deeper state of relaxation. And now just imagine there is a big spiritual sunshine there on the top. It's a big light, and just open the door of your head and just let this big spiritual light come into your body, enter your body. Just imagine that this particular big spiritual sunshine is entering your body from the top of your head, and it starts filtering into the top of your head. Your head is opening and drinking this spiritual light. Just imagine this light is spreading in your head, and it's bringing in love, it's bringing in gratitude and of the highest potential. Just visualize this light, and now let this light go from your head into your eyes. Feel this light going into your eyes. Feel the energy in your eyes with this particular light. And now let this light go from your eyes and let it go into your ears. And you can feel that this light is going into your ears and you're feeling a different energy. And now from the ears, let this light go into your throat. Just feel this light is filling your throat and you're getting a beautiful energy within you. And from there, just let this light go into your heart. And there is a bridge between your throat and your heart. And your throat is totally cleared now. There is absolutely no clutter It declogs everything which is in your throat. And there is a bridge between your throat and your heart. And you're feeling an amazing feeling there. All the light is lighting the whole of your body. And let this light energy from your heart go into each and every organ of your body, your stomach, your lungs, and let it fill it up and declog and cleans all the parts of your body. Pancreas, your intestines, it's going into your liver, your kidney. Just feel it. And now it's just going down and it's going onto your thighs. Just feel the light going to your thighs. And now at this stage, just imagine that you are in a lift and it's a glass lift, and that lift is going inside the earth. And as it goes inside the earth, it goes to the center of the earth. And see the light there in the center of the earth is a huge energy. It's like a mother's love. It's full of nurturing, rewarding, happy, and supportive. Now, this light starts entering your body from your feet. Just visualize this mother's love light from the earth is entering your body from your feet. It's coming up your calf muscles. It's coming to your thighs, your abdomen. And now this light from the earth is combining with the light from the top. And you can feel there's a different energy in your body. Both this light from the cosmic energy from the top and the earth energy from the bottom is there in a form of a ball, huge light with lots and lots of love, gratitude, nurturing, happy, which is there in your body. And you can feel that energy in your body. And at this stage, if you see there is some clogs in your body, some black spots in your body, which is making you inconvenient, which is actually giving pain, let this light energy go and declog that, diffuse that particular black spot in your body. Just scan your body from the top to bottom, and if you see any black spots, let this light go and just diffuse that. And I'm sure you're feeling very energetic. All the cells in your body are now rejuvenated. Let this light energy from the down and the cosmic energy from the top go to each and every cell of your body, every tissue of your body, every organ of your body. And now this lift is actually coming up, and as it comes up and comes to the top of the earth, and there is a cosmic energy from the top is entering your body again. And you are feeling different now. You're fully energetic. All the cells in your body are rejuvenated. They are resonating now. And you are at a different level of energy now. Just feel this. Have that peacefulness in your mind. Feel that energy you have. And slowly, slowly, you can come back. And I'm going to count from 3 to 1. By the time you come to 1, you'll be totally conscious. By the count of 3, just be aware where you are. Feel your feet on the ground. By the count of 2, just feel the light around you. Try to hear the sound if you can. And by the count of 1, you are totally awake. Be conscious, give movement to your body, and slowly open your eyes. So just write it in the chat box. How was the feeling? What was the experience, rather? Unless you write in the chat box, how will I know? Yeah, how was the feeling? Wonderful, amazing, Sitesh, Archana, wonderful, refreshing, cleansing, Pranavi, Madhulika ma'am, very relaxing and refreshing, sir. So just imagine, so if 5 minutes of exercise can bring you so much of refreshing, and if you do this every day, what will be the results? They will be really amazing. This is only just one of the exercises, or I can call it a meditation, sort of a meditation, Huna meditation. This is the thing which everybody should follow for their betterment, for the better life, have a good future, right? So in fact, like I'll tell you, I'm telling on camera now, the job I got in, I'm presently working as a manager in PwC, and the job I got is just because of NLP. Previous to that, when I got a job in this place, in a university, MIT University, that was also because of NLP. NLP can create anything you want. I'm not talking any bookish language. I'm just telling the experience which I have. The present job which I'm holding is a position where is a civil engineer is required with 14 to 13 to 10 to 13 years of experience in urban planning. And the company which I'm working for is a multinational. And here I am, a electrical engineer with no experience in urban planning, and I'm still there 1 year. So that's how powerful an NLP is. If it can do to me, if a child is there and if he wants 90%, if he can do NLP for 10 to 15 minutes a day, he can get 90. Because I told you, all the children, everybody is born genius. Only the limiting beliefs what we have actually restricts us from getting what we want. So what we feed into our mind is what we get. So that's why I told, if you want to be rich, you want to be healthy, you have to feed your mind with richness and with health. And if you're poor today, and if you're unhealthy today, it's because generally क्या होता है, जब आदमी 30 years 40 years के जब में जाता है तो पैसे जमा करता है, क्योंकि ये जनरली ये बोलता है कि जब बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, जब बीमार पड़ेंगे तो हमारे पास सफिशिएंट पैसे होने चाहिए. अरे जब बूढ़े होंगे बीमार पड़ेंगे सोचना ही क्यों है? ऐसा क्यों नहीं सोच सके? इफ यू थिंक दैट मैं कभी बीमार नहीं पड़ूंगा, लास्ट डे टिल दैट आई एम ऑन द अर्थ, आई विल बी वेरी हेल्दी एंड फिट, so you will not fall sick. I'm telling you. And if you still think that I'm going to earn 5 lakhs of rupees in the next 2 years, you're going to earn 5 lakhs of rupees. The problem is हम सोचते ही नहीं हैं, बड़ा सोचते ही नहीं हैं. So you have to think big. Okay, so that's about the live demo, and I'm sure you must have enjoyed it. Okay, so this is my mission. I am here to transform 10,000 lives by December 2021, and I don't know, maybe around 100 odd lives I have transformed till now. In the sense, I have given one-to-one coaching, and I have been transforming lives, and yeah, maybe around 100 odd. But then I want to achieve 10,000 figure by December 2021. Like I told you, if you don't have a target, we cannot reach there. And also transform on 1 lakh lives by December 2025, all with the sole intention of I want to see people happy and healthy when they reach the age of 50. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 50 years में जाके हम बोले कि यार बीमार पड़ गए हैं, हमको दवाई खाना है, प्लस हम एक्टिव नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. They should be very happy. They should be healthy when the age of 50, because that is the time when we have to enjoy our life. 50 onwards, we should enjoy our life. Okay, so that is second. And of course, make them lead a happy and a healthy life. And this all is possible by using NLP tools and techniques, and they are for the human benefit. So I just demonstrated one NLP tool which actually can give instant energy. And just imagine if you use NLP tools for 10 to 15 minutes for different problems what you face, they can be effective and they can be clean. They can be all problems can be, any psychosomatic diseases can be cleared. And आज के date में, in today's date, if you meet 5 people, 3 people will be under tension, under stress, under anxiety, under uncertainty. All these can be cleared, and they can have a clear mind. That is my promise, or what you call it. Yeah, I can challenge that. So use NLP tools and techniques for the benefit of human beings, and see people happy and smiling at the age of 50. That's my vision. Yeah. So yeah, my efforts, I have, like I told you, I took a voluntary retirement in the year 2012. And since 2015 and 16, I have been doing this, trying to impress people. I try to convince people, saying that yes, I can bring in a change in your child. So I went to schools and colleges, conducted workshops, and did one-to-one counselings and mentoring. And also during this particular period, I was initially used to do only motivational talks. And like I told you, let me tell you here, when you hear that, you can see so many people who are hearing to motivational talks continuously, but you cannot see a change in their behavior. Up in now, you can imagine that, because when you see a motivational talk, you are actually consciously seeing that. आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो पहुंचा नहीं है, एंड दैट्स द रीजन आपके बिहेवियर या आपके थॉट प्रोसेस में चेंज नहीं आता है. सो आप कितने भी मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स अटेंड कर लो, कितने भी मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स देख लो, वो चेंज आने के लिए आपको बहुत 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 टाइम लगेगा. अगर आप 100 मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स देखोगे तो आपके बिहेवियर में थोड़ा बहुत चेंज आएगा, बट otherwise it's not possible. So by seeing the motivational talk, nothing can happen. If you want to see a real change, you have to have some tools and techniques like NLP. And that's the reason when I used to do an NLP workshops, motivational workshops, I used to see a very very positive. मेरे पास इतना सारा bunch है जो feedback मिला है positive feedback. But then I was also not very happy, because I wanted some tool or a technique which can bring in an instantaneous change and a permanent change. So I was searching and searching, and then I came across this NLP, and I upskilled myself for the last 3 to 4 years. And now, of course, yes, I can do NLP to some extent. I cannot say I'm a master, but yeah, I can do NLP. Okay. But why people doesn't show interest? That's very important. Why are people not interested? In spite of putting in effort for 4 to 5 years, even I didn't see that positive response from the people, because I know I can change those people. I can see that what is the problem, what they're having, but unless people come to me, I cannot change them. So there was no response, not much response from the people. Then when I studied myself, I thought there are 2 or 3 things which are very very common. People don't value the health at the right time. Like I told you, if you want to be healthy, it doesn't happen that 48 years में जाके आप बोलोगे कि मेरे को healthy होना. It doesn't work like that. And if you want to be healthy at the age of 50, you should start around 40, 41 years. Similarly, if you want to be healthy at 40, you have to start at 20, 30 years. When we are young, our metabolism is good, our body is able to sustain, so we don't take care of the health. And we have all types of junk food and all those things. But इसका जो effect आता है, that only comes after 40 or 50, 40, 45 years. So you should understand that health is the primary thing. Health बहुत important है हमारे life के लिए, और उसका value हम अपने बच्चों को भी पढ़ाना चाहिए कि how important is healthy, and we should take the action at the right time. So most of the cases, since people don't value health at the right time, they don't give much importance to such type of talks. And the other thing is procrastination. बोलते हैं कि यार अभी क्या जल्दी, अभी तो अभी जवानी है, अभी आगे चल के हम देखते हैं, अभी तो बहुत जिंदगी पड़ी है, अभी तो ऐश कर लें. So they start procrastinating the things, right? As far as health is concerned. And the third important thing is my techniques are very very simple. Like मैंने जब 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग लेता हूं, मैं उनको बोलता हूं कि ये 4 एक्सरसाइज आप करके आ जाओ, और अगले 15 दिन में, 15 दिन के बाद मुझे फीडबैक देना. तो टेक्निक्स इतने सिंपल होते थे कि उन लोगों को लगता था ये क्या काम करेगा. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि आप खड़े हो जाओ और आपके लाइफ, आपने चारों ओर जितने भी चीजें उसको देख के कंटिन्यू बोलते रहो, तो आपको लगेगा कि यह बेवकूफी है. ठीक है, बट इसका इफेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. सो क्या होता था कि जब मैं 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग करता था, लोगों को बोलता था कि एक्सरसाइज करके आओ. सो देयर वर फ्यू पीपल हु यूज्ड टू डू सीरियसली. जो सीरियसली करता था तो उनमें चेंज दिखता ही था, बट जिन्होंने सीरियसली नहीं किया, हफ्ते में 2 बार 3 बार किया, उनमें भी चेंज दिखा. So that is the time when I realized कि मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए. And of course, the third most important thing, I shared my skills free of cost. जो भी free में आता है उसका value नहीं रहता है, right? So I have been doing this for the last 4 to 5 years, and they don't give value. जो भी हमको free में चीज आती है सस्ते, जैसे बच्चे को आप कुछ भी पूछो दे देते हैं तो उसका value उसको पता नहीं रहता. And same here also. अब उन्होंने बोला कि सर काउंसलिंग कर दो, मैंने काउंसलिंग कर दी, उनमें चेंज आया तो उसमें दिखता नहीं है. Okay, so maybe this is one of the reasons. These are my studies. So what I did is on 1st of December I thought कि अगर डिसकंटिन्यू होने के बाद भी लोगों में इतना चेंज है तो व्हाई डोंट आई कंटिन्यू. सो मैंने एक सेशन स्टार्ट किया मैजिकल मॉर्निंग्स विद यू बोल के. सो 1 December से आई स्टार्टेड दिस, and in the morning from 5:30 to 6:30 we do one exercise for 1 hour in which I included all the NLP HUNA techniques, and apart from that मैंने और भी कुछ ऐड किया है और इसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ही astonishing है. And ये 21 days challenge है, and I can challenge that somebody who is there with me for 21 days continuously, they can see 100% change in their behavior, change in their thought process, and also we actually set goals. एक महीने का हम गोल सेट करते हैं, 3 गोल सेट करते हैं और वो गोल्स हम अचीव करते हैं. And well, so let me have a POC of myself. So this is the testimonial. Anshu, she has given a testimony. Just hear to her. Sorry.
Sir, it's not audible.
Okay. Just 1 minute. I don't know.
And utilizing your skills.
Now it's
And
audible?
I want
It's audible now?
to say a few words of thanks to Mr. Srinivas Yechina for the time, energy, and focus he has given to me. He's an NLP and HUNA expert, and he actually took a few one-on-one sessions with me to help me find out what incidents, people, or things might be there in the past that are not helping me, or rather stopping me from moving forward in life, and also to visualize my future as to where I want to be, what do I want to achieve, and they have been immensely helpful. Thank you, Srinivas, for all your efforts and utilizing your skills for my betterment. I wish you all the luck. May you help millions of people around the world, and I thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Rituja. I have been practicing the NLP techniques that have been taught to me by Group Captain Srinivas sir. So I have been practicing more of the visualization technique, and I've set targets for myself, and I keep on practicing the technique. And for my surprise, I actually can see the results. Like I've set the targets and I've achieved them on the specified date that I have set the targets for, and I can see the results. So I recommend everyone to go through this NLP techniques that Srinivas sir explains and practice it. It is definitely beneficial. Thank you sir for all the guidance and support, and keep supporting, keep guiding. Thank you.
2 more.
Hi everyone, I have followed the rituals done by Srinivas sir from last 18 days, and I am feeling very strong, powerful, closing near by my goal set by me. And yes, I am feeling like a courageous lion every now and then. I am tackling each and every scenario, obstacle of life very calmly, peacefully, strongly, benevolently. Thank you, Srinivas sir, for guiding me and paving the way for happiness for the new future. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
I think Subir is also there with us live.
Friends,
Anila is also
I
there.
had the opportunity to attend 2 sessions by Srinivas sir. I found the session highly inspiring and powerful that has changed my way of thinking. The session include discussions on various topics, events, activities, motivational videos, games, songs, stories and real life stories of people which will definitely make us think about ourselves to change. He keeps the audience busy from the very first second to the last, waiting eagerly for the upcoming session at Bilaspur on 23rd of September. All the best.
Okay, so there are two programs which I do right now. Like one is the Magical Mornings with You, MMWY. This is a 21-day program. And the other one is Magical Time with NLP. Now, the problem here, what I've seen is getting up in the morning is a problem for few of the people, right? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, just let me share.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just one. Can you see the slides? Okay, so the second program is this is basically for people who don't get up, who are not able to get up in the morning for whatever reason it is. So I just designed a program for them. I'll just have two sessions. One on the first day, give them those exercises, let them do it for 15 days, and the second session after 15 days. So see a change in them. So those who are not able to get up in the morning every day and come for the session, they can use the second program. And within 25 to 20 to 25 days, you can see a change. So, well, coming to the costing, your investment, we may say that, yeah, this program is 30,000 rupees, so it's too much of money, right? So I just want to know how much of money we spend if you want to transform our lives. Is it worth 30,000 rupees is a big amount? Certainly not, because if you are not spending this much of amount right now, just imagine when you become old, you start taking the medicines. You have to eat medicines like food. And that time, lakhs of rupees will be spent on medicines. And if you're investing 30,000 rupees right now, then you can actually save lakhs of rupees then. But don't worry, I'm not here to make money. I'm not here to take this much of money from your, and I'm not going to charge 30,000 rupees in any case. I'm just telling that this particular NLP techniques actually worth that much. So my offer for today is just rupees 5,000. You just can take this particular thing for rupees 5,000, because as I told you, if I don't, I have been giving it free for the last 4 to 5 years. I don't see the value what people are giving for it. So it's very important that yes, I should charge some money, and I'm going to charge 5,000 rupees for your investment. So anybody excited? Is it 5,000 more? Yeah. But yeah, I've seen that there are so many students also. They say, "Arey, हमारे पास 5,000 रुपए कहाँ से आएगा?" Those people who are earning, it's okay. But then even now, even those people who are earning, they will think 5,000 rupees is a big amount. But anyway, I'm not going to charge 5,000 also. But let me tell you one thing. There are two very important things in life, that is commitment and consistency. If you have commitment and consistency, you can win anything. Even if you pay me 5,000 rupees or 30,000 rupees, and if you don't have commitment, if you don't have consistency, you cannot achieve the results what you want. For example, I just give this example of success is equal to 15% of knowledge and 85% of attitude. After a particular period in life, your success in your life, in your professional career, doesn't depend upon your knowledge. It only depends upon the attitude what you carry. If you have the right attitude, knowledge is a very, very minuscule amount. Okay. So similar, taking this to our next level, in your case of investment, when you do an investment, it's only 15% of cash and 80% or 85% of time. Suppose, for example, let me prove this. Suppose you are buying a house. Before buying a house, you spend so much of time researching on it, right? कैसे घर चाहिए, कितना cost है, you start the comparison and all those things. So you spend 85% of the time in researching when you do an investment. The cash paying is just 15%, right? Similarly, when you want to buy a new mobile, you will then spend so much of time in studying. In fact, everybody in studying what are the different types of mobile, what is the range, what we have, what are the specification, what is the best mobile we can get in this particular amount, all those things. So when you do an investment, 85% of the time you use that 85% of the time for researching it, and that 15% is only the cash. Okay, cash is a very, very small amount. Similarly, when you do this, remember, when you're spending 5,000 rupees or any amount, it is you're spending for yourself, for your betterment. It is your investment for your own life, for your own betterment. It's not for getting material things. When you buy a material thing, the importance of that material thing goes off very fast. But when you buy something for your own good, that will stay with you lifelong. When you transform your life is going to be transformed permanently, and that is for your good. So you're investing for yourself. Okay, but nevertheless, I have a special offer, and this has been done after careful study. For students, I am ready to give it for 999, and for others it is 1499. For elders who are actually earning or who are independent, that's for them is 1999. Okay, now there is a catch also. I know for students giving 999 is very, very difficult. So I have a thing. I have used those two words of commitment and consistency. If somebody is ready to pay, be attendant for 21 days continuously without absent, I will give 30% off, be it a student or otherwise. And also, if you are there joining every day morning at 5:30 sharp, I'm going to give 30% off. That means you're going to get 60% off on 9999. But the challenge is you have to be consistent, you have to be committed. So by doing this, I'm actually trying to make them disciplined and also make them committed. And in fact, you'll be paying much, much less than what. So, and also I will give one book, one free counseling, one-to-one counseling, which is worth 5,000 rupees. And apart from that, I will give a free ebook. So these are the number of bonuses what you're going to get. You're paying 9,999 or 1499, but you're getting 60% off. Just imagine what much of amount you are paying. And apart from that, you'll also get one-to-one counseling, which is worth actually 5,000 rupees. So much of bonus, so much of thing which I'm giving it, because it's not a business I'm doing. I just want to transform the people, bring a change in the lives of the people. That is my motto. So if that is not enough, what you can do is right now, if you want to pay, you can pay 499, and others, other than the students, they can pay 999. I am just going to, this offer will be there only for today. If you are, I'm just going to display this link in the chat box. My team, can you please give that link? And if you're going to pay right now, you're going to pay 499 as far as students are concerned, and others, it will be 999. And this offer is only for today. And I'm sure by paying this, you're actually, just remember, you're not paying me, you're investing for yourself, for your transforming your life. And 100% if you're committed, consistent, your life is going to be transformed in the next 25 days. What you could not do for throughout your life till now, you can get it done in just 21 days. That's not a big deal. That's not a big ask also. So that is thing. And before I go, before I go, this is the motto. You can create your own destiny. You can be rich and you can be healthy. And all this you can do by recharging your subconscious mind. As simple as that. And recharging your subconscious mind using NLP technique is very, very easy. And I have given you the testimonials. I'm also doing it on an everyday basis. So it is possible. Everything is possible. You can transform your life within few days. Well, I have done, and I'm open for questions. Anybody, any questions you can ask me? Yeah. Any questions? And the link is there. Yeah, Swati has given. If you're paying it today, it's $9.99 and $4.99. And else, if you want to have the other option of not able to, if you're not able to get up in the morning and you have a challenge in that, then you can contact me so we can discuss it. Okay. Any questions, please? Either you have understood everything or you have not understood anything. So there are only two types. If the class is very good. Yeah, Bhavya is asking, is 1 hour, 5:30 to 6:30. Every day morning, 5:30 to 6:30. 6:30, 6:40. There are people, I think, yeah, Abhishek is there. Abhishek is a mentee of mine right from the day one. Abhishek, can you share something?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I am Abhishek Srivas. आवाज आ रही है सर मेरी?
Yeah.
हाँ. जब से सर सेशन चालू किया मॉर्निंग सेशन, तब से मैं सर के साथ ये NLP एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ और मेरे बिहेवियर में और मेरे पर्सनैलिटी में, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल में, एनर्जी में, हर चीज में बूस्ट अप आया है जब से मैं ये NLP कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ. सर ने जो शब्द बोला था कंसिस्टेंसी एंड कमिटमेंट, ये जो कंटिन्यू रखना है, इसको टाइम पे एकदम 5:30 मीन्स 5:30 डेली में जुड़ जाता हूँ 5:30 में, तो इससे बहुत कुछ फायदा हुआ है. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम BACL में इंटर्नशिप करना गया था. उस टाइम सर ने बोला था गोल सेट करने के लिए. पेड इंटर्नशिप में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ कि मैं गोल सेट किया था. विदिन 1 मंथ ये कंप्लीट हुआ था. दूसरा मैंने सेट किया था इस दिसंबर में ही किया था. दिसंबर में मैं NTPC के लिए अप्लाई किया था. उसमें अप्रेंटिसशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया था. वो गोल ऐसा एकदम करेक्ट डेट पे 31 दिसंबर 2020 में आ गया था. ये चीज मेरे को 2 जनवरी को पता चला, लेकिन जब जो मैं गोल सेट किया था वो 31 दिसंबर का ही किया था. वो उसी डेट पे आया. मतलब इतना सटीक काम करता है ये NLP एंड ऊना जो टेक्निक जो सर कराते हैं, ये बहुत ही सही चीज है. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग सब भी एक बार जरूर आए और सर का जो NLP ऊना जो है वो जरूर ज्वाइन करें. बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंज आपको खुद देखने मिलेगा.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abhishek. May I request everybody to just fill up the feedback form. It's there display. The link is given there. So kindly fill up the feedback form so that I have a feedback. Next time I can improve my this thing. So जो अभिषेक जो बोल रहा था कि मैं उसमें कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. What is done by him is only basically उसको जो गार्बेज अगर निकल जाता है माइंड से हमारा, एंड हम अगर अपने माइंड को फोकस कर सकते हैं तो थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली हैपन. It doesn't, इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है. Only thing is, that's why I tell you, you have to be consistent and committed. That's all. And you have to believe me. That's all. Things will automatically change. Yeah. May I request everybody to kindly fill up the forms, feedback form. Yeah. Anybody else? Okay. I think Swapnil is also there. Lalita ma'am is on. Yeah. Swapnil, just share while people are filling the forms. Swapnil, can you hear me? Okay. Anybody else? Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir. Can I speak?
Yeah.
Practicing NLP was a great deal for me from 2nd December onwards. I missed January session, but since when I continued February, I am back to my original form that I have continued in December, that I left in December. And it is very good, sir. Everyone, I suggest you to join this session, my magical session. It will really help you in day-to-day life, dealing with your day-to-day activities, and it is a permanent solution. So it is a good deal for you.
See, it's not a good deal. I will not call it a deal. Deal is when you purchase something or something. It's basically for their benefit. That's why given that magical mornings with you. It's not with me. It's with you yourself. That's the name also has been chosen. So it's for your betterment. Okay. Well, anybody else? I think let's call it a day. Yeah, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my team, Swati and Sitesh, who has been helping me out in coordinating the whole thing. And thank you very much. My gratitude to you, Swati, and Sitesh. Sitesh is behind the cameras. And yeah, thank you very much for all the audience who are there. And it was a great session and interacting with you. I'm sure there might have come some change in your mindset. And yes, you can change your life. You can transform your life. You can actually make your own destiny. That's quite possible because we have all the resources within us. And it's just a thought process. Yeah, you want to change your destiny, you can always change it. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Be safe, be healthy, and always be energetic and keep smiling. Thank you very much for attending. Jai Hind.